Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. Blessed everyone, Dancehall skilla there again. Manners and respect, you see. Alright people, so I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was being arrested or detained by police within the country of Jamaica. The person was resisting arrest, and there was some persons who did not agree with the way how the person was being treated by police. The situation escalated to a point where there was a confrontation between civilians and police officers. And the situation reached to a point where there was a struggle between some persons who you can see in the video that I'm about to present to you. The video also shows blood on at least one person's face. That person was a person who was wearing a type of uniform, and the video also shows when at least one person who was also wearing a type of uniform hit someone with an object repeatedly. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the situation and the video has been talked about on social media, and I didn't get any confirmed information as to what exactly caused a situation like this, my people. In the video, me and at least two persons said some words that gave me the understanding that they said or pointed out that a person is sick in the head or the person head sick. When you hear some Jamaicans say those type of words, they might be pointing out that a person is either mentally ill or the person has been accused of being mentally ill. Anyways, so I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in this video that I'm about to present to you. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation, and I want to make it very clear that you can hear quite a number of harsh language in this video. You can also hear persons talking loud in the video. The video also shows when a group of law enforcers work together in order to restrain one person. You can see certain things as well in the video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observing my people. Alright, so you can see certain things happen in the video at a certain distance in the video, my people, see, but bear with me. And when it comes down to certain parts of the audio from the video, we remove it for certain reasons, you see me? So bear with me, my people.
How?
Just bear with me, people, see, because, you know, the more you look, you can get a better understanding as to what's, I should say, what happened. Bear with me on the audio, my people.
Look how much police take to take down one. Yeah man, I love video people, man.
Situation there, look how weird. What's your brother with the bicycle, so?
Too much money take hold one man.
So I go on, people, hold on. Again, bear with me when it comes on.
I'm gonna just go on with the police them. I'm gonna go on so far. Look come on, go on with the police them, look come on and stop go on so. Go on with the police them, youth. I'm strong, man. Don't get away now.
OMG. So you can see and hear certain things, people. I better in just relax and just, you know, resisting will never make it worse. Just relax. Understanding that there was some persons who were upset based on the situation set and so on, isn't it? But also you can get that understanding more.
Yo, you're the pan camera, no? You're the pan camera. Yo, you're the pan camera. Oi, you're the pan camera.
So now that one people. Yes, can you fight that one?
I know they know outcomes of you, Acha. Yo, you, just go easy, just go easy. Just go easy, you. You, just go easy. Yo, you, just go easy. Yo, you, just go easy, you. Just go easy, just go easy. Just go easy. You, just go easy. He ain't sick, you know. He ain't sick. Yo, he ain't sick. He ain't sick. He ain't sick. He ain't sick. Yo, he ain't sick. Yeah. No man, not pull no gun, man. No gun, not pull, man. Yo, he ain't sick. He ain't sick. You have to go easy with him.
Yeah, so we can hear talk and video. Should have some conscious ways.
Yo, that's wait till the unit come and move. You see, when the unit come and move, stay there so with him. Yo, stay away there, you. Stay away there. Yo, just stay away there. Stay away there. Just stay away there. Stay away there. Just sit down, man. That's easy, man. Yo, that's easy. That's
easy, man. For real.
Everything you can camera.
Take it easy, you know.
You know, do nothing. I pass him, I pass.
But people, I said, when it comes down to them type of situation, so many times I feel certain ways. Me no like certain things happen to nobody none at all, and at the same time, you know, it's like there are certain things where you have to just be careful of. People, so when it comes down to a situation like that, it's best to comply. You know, and if a complaint you make the complaint to necessary authorities. As my people. Who right from who wrong when it comes down to that situation there. It's set away. I say wrong span certain levels, all different angles in that situation there, see? And here the big question too. What caused that the whole situation there in the first place? What really and truly caused that whole situation right there in the first place that escalated from one point to another point to another point? Eh? Set away, man. But people, tell me what you think, you know. One of the reasons why I present this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, or the situation itself being talked about on social media. So let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and to click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!